about men coming here to date?
Oh,
Like,
like
yeah,
expats?
foreign men coming here to date. Like, why do you think foreign guys come here?
Because they think that Filipinos are cheap, not like high standards like in America.
Cheap like money or cheap
Like
like standards?
cheap, like the living
conditions?
expenses here is cheap, and not like they don't ask for a lot like in America.
Mm. So if you're dating a woman and she's asking you for a lot, I mean, what does that mean? Does that mean she just requires a lot in a relationship or what?
Like it's probably like her maintenance is so high, like not like in the Philippines.
What about a Filipino though? We're
Like a
talking,
Filipino, like we're
yeah.
talking about a Filipino. Like there's some other Filipino that's social climber, or they're gonna ask you for like they wanna be on the top level, like some other bitches. But like for me, I just go on a like not to the highest level, but like I just want to be in a relationship, like build a family and stuff, not like go fucking and shit.
Get the bag and leave.
Yeah.
And leave. Hold up.